everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogowadi. Thank you for joining me today. Guys, I want to show you a method you could use that might, let me use the word might, help you to reduce facial wrinkles. And you see those under eye bag that we get when we don't have enough rest, we don't sleep, or we're stressed out? Believe me, this works for me, and I'm sure it's gonna work for you. So let me show you the 3 ingredients you're gonna be needing. But before this, let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you haven't, please go and subscribe, share this video, click on the like button, and let's be family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. So let's go into the ingredient. We're gonna be needing raw egg. You're gonna be needing Vaseline, guys. It has to be Blue Seal Vaseline, original. Of course, you need your plate and a spoon. And this is rice flour. You're going to be needing rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you could check in the store, or you blend the rice you have at home. That also can work. So first of all, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be breaking the egg, separate it a little bit. This is a little bit of the yolk, the egg white. I'm not using all the egg whites and the yolk. And I'm just going to mix it. And to this, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon. This is not a tablespoon, so I'm going to put 2 of rice flour. And 1 spoon of the Blue Seal Vaseline. Alright, Vaseline is very good for your skin. Some people say it closes the pores, but no. Vaseline, especially this one, is very, very good for your skin. It rejuvenates, the dead skin cells. When you finish with this, you're going to feel your old skin come alive. That eye bag will disappear. You know why? Because the egg does a lot of stuff for our skin. Egg is very important. Even when you use only egg sometimes to wash your face, you feel how it tightens your skin. The skins that are wrinkled begin to separate. Can you now imagine when you add the rice flour and the Vaseline? This is awesome. So guys, I have a model here. Her name is Nana. I'm going to be using it on her face. Guys, when you apply this on your face, you're going to have to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before you wash your face with warm water. And that's it. So for best results, I suggest you do this at night time. When you do it at night time, do it 3 to 4 times a week, and believe me, you will come back to thank me. You see that? This is the consistency you want. This kind of consistency. It looks like a paste. That is awesome. Make sure you mix everything together. It's very important. Alright, this is well mixed. I do not have, you could use a cotton ball, but I'm going to be using my hand because I don't really have it. So I'm going to be applying it on the face of my model over here. She was generous enough to allow me use her face for this experiment. So all you do, you rub generously all over your face. It's edible, so it's not poisonous. Even if it gets into your mouth, I'm sorry, it's not a problem. You just try to rub, make sure you get those underneath eyes. Don't worry about this. It's not poisonous. It's very good. And guys, don't forget your neck. Some people tend to forget the neck. The neck is part of our face, and it wrinkles also. Both men and women, it wrinkles also. So you rub generously all over your neck and the face. She's gonna feel the skin tighten in the next few minutes, and that shows it's working. Should have given you a towel. All right. my beautiful model. Okay, and this is it basically. So the next step, guys, is to leave this for 20 minutes and then she washes her face with warm water. Do this 3 to 4 times every night. Believe me, you will come back to this channel and leave me a beautiful comment. So let's give her 20 minutes and then we come back. Alright guys, it's 20 minutes and we washed it. If you can see how shiny this looks, feels so soft and firm at the same time. And it can also brighten your face, you know, because rice flour has the power to brighten your face, you know. So guys, give this a try. It's worth it. It's not so expensive, you know, and you know, come out looking younger than your age. So like I said, all you need for this is your rice flour, your blue seal Vaseline, and of course 1 large egg, and you're good to go. Wow. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you know, watch other videos also. Until next time, I bring to you a beautiful DIY to help you look beautiful and younger. Thank you and God bless. Bye.